Passenger Agnes Nolido, Passenger Leon Nolido, Ms. Felisa Pangilinan, Mr. Jonah Sibian, kindly order flight number please for this day.
Okay, I am
Once
in.
again, last year waiting passengers.
Ooh, it's this way.
I'm
I'm in.
50 bound for Manila. Passengers Ignacio.
So we're going to
Jacinto
Legazpi City.
Javier
Oh, bye.
Nolido,
Oh my
Pangilinan,
God.
Sibian, Passengers.
I'm doing this alone. Vloggers. Hello, hello po.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Bago lang, vlogger.
Here ba?
Vlogger, ha?
We're calling the
Hello. Hello. Nako airport. Hey baby Julia. Julia. Ito airport and we're going there. There. You see that? Legazpi. Legazpi City. I'll buy that.
Thank you for waiting.
I'll just, ano lang, update ko kasi ulo, ayaw di ayaw, no? Ulo, maday ayaw mag-vlog. So, yan, anak ko, waiting area.
First order passengers requiring special assistance, senior citizens, and those traveling with infants and small children.
25B.
Gate passengers,
See you later.
primarily to the lead card holders may board at their own convenience. For the information of all departing guests, the Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5HA597 bound for Davao. Please be advised that your
Boarding na. And yeah, we'll be going to the airplane. 25B. Saktong dito. Sobrang. Thank you. Got my check-in.
Hello. Tayo lang sa kanya.
Pa-diretso na kayo. Nice. Oh no.
For departure for runway 22.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Actually, ako si Aaron. No? So, arrived na doon in a few minutes. So, yeah! Hello, Legazpi City! Bye guys. Tabot jug. Tabot jug Legazpi.
Malapit tayo eh. Bakit hindi na yung picture?
Tagalog ang mga tao diri, no?
May crew pala tayo.
Tagalog.
Thank you. Have a great night.
Bye. Pal. Thank you for buying pal. Oh my God, naabot ko ang Legazpi. Naabot ko ang Legazpi, everyone! Actually, natabunan ako ay. Ano lang? Mayun, Hello! 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 Bye! Hindi pa kailan. Sir, pwede po magtanong? Saan po, ano po sakayan papuntang Pacific Mall? Tricycle lang. Ilang bayad? Saya, uy! Magkano bayad po?
50 na yan kasi
50.
kakaalis nila dito. 50 talaga yan.
50 lang po. Sige.
Diretso na yan.
Diretso na. Diretso na. Thank you. Sige po, thank you. So guys, naabot dito ko og Legazpi City. Naabot dito ko Legazpi City. Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Nakabalon sa kagutang. Actually, nakapagsimbahan ron sa Our Lady of Fatima here in Legazpi City, Albay. Hi guys! Ako ay alaro. Wala ko kabaluasak pa dulong. Kaya ato tayo ayala ron. Actually, ngayon na ano kaya lang. Na may ayala sa Cebu. Hello! Sa entrance. Padulo ko kaya laron and malubat ako camera. Bye guys! What's up guys? Today is July 23 and it's already 9 a.m. and it's my last day here in Legazpi City, Albay. And yeah, my plans for today since ang flight pa na ako is later pa at 3 p.m. and hopefully makapunta ng Nagsawa Ruins saka makakaon of Sili Ice Cream which is very famous here in Legazpi City. And yeah, hopefully makabili din ng mga pasalubong for my friends and family. And yeah, yun lang. Tsaka I'm gonna leave this room, this very wonderful full room from RH. And yeah, thank you so much guys and I will see you later. And I'm out and kulat kong jeep. Wala ko balon sa kusakyan pero sila kapalit daw. Wala bayar daw siya dire. Hopefully makita. Wala. So yeah, adventure time. Guys, I will see you later in a few minutes pag makita na akong jeep. Bye. So nakasakay na tag jeep, no? And hopefully panang Nagsawa Ruins tsaka parang wala, feeling na ako wala yung kwan, hindi magpakita si Mayon karon kay nagulan ay tagong diay tagong yeah, makakita sa maskin sa ruins man lang, diba? So yeah, we'll see you later guys na nakasakay na yung jeep. And I'm here sa Kagsawa. So, yan. Malakad lang po ba? Pwede lang. Doon po. Doon na po. Tricycle ka? Magta-tricycle lang po. Magkano po? Tricycle. Ito. 20 lang sir. 20 lang daw sir. Ayan po. Thank you po. Ano po? Tricycle. Hello, so nanaabot na dyan ko din. Entrance. Kano? 20. Sorry po. Thank you.
May ano ka po, sir? 10 pesos?
Wala po.
Mamaya na po yan.
Sige po, sige po. Thank you po. Hello po.
Hello.
Hello, Kagsawa Ruins. So, naabot na ako guys. Actually, wala nang pakita si Mayon karon kay nagdago manggod. Diba? So nagdag ko. And then, yan! Lano, naabot na ko kag sawa. Mayon volcano. Nakitaan na sa books, sa libro, ragid na ako ni siya makitaan. Pero karon, it's in front of me! It's in front of me na yun na. Hello! The church bell. Diba? Church sa Kagsawa. So, ito nga. Kalisod ba mag-vlog? Yan. Or kung magtuyok-tuyok guys, kay magkuhan sa ko, mukhaon sa ako. Oh, nagwala dyan, nagpakita si Mayon. Tabunan siya atong iyang uyab. Ito, before sa ako mag-tuyok-tuyok kay mukhaon sa ako, kay wala pa dyan ko yung breakfast, no? So, yeah, I will tour the place around later and kaon sa dyan ko kay gutom na kay ko. Bye. People Express. That's my breakfast. Hi po. Balik. Kelabs, kay wala na siya na record. Video ba ko wala na siya na record? Okay, no. So, yay! Nanak ko sa vulkan. Mayon. At the back, sa akong likod kaya ang vulkan mo yun. There! Yeah! And, sa libro na dyan ako ni siya makita, pero karon na ako dire! And, photo ang kanang bell. Kana siya ang bell, and then muna siya ang Mayon. Wala siya nagpakita. Naulaw si Magayon. Or naglabing-labing sila ito yung uyab. Charot! Racing ang iyang uyab isang clouds. So, dito tabi. Asa mo dito tabi? May marker dito nga. TV Patrol 25. Yan. TV Patrol 25. Ang mga foreigners na. Diba, very nice kayo siya guys. Nang highway ng kamot. And then, yeah, mag-picture. Karon kayo man naman picture. Back. Karon mamalit taog on mga keychain. Keychain mo ta. Dino ko mahal lang keychain. Kano po yung keychain? 10 pesos po. 10 pesos. Hello po. I just bought pasalubongs for my friends and for my family. Yeah. And I'm going home. Ayun na, nagpapakita na siya.
A few moments later.
Balik sa ko kay magpakita si Mayon today. Kontra ka ganina, di ba? Bilis. Baka magtago ulit. Actually, directly dyan pa siya makita, pero compare ka ganina. Diba? Hindi itong picture. Kaya man naman itong picture. So, videohan na natin siya. Yan. Volcano. Yung bell. So, I'm back and manage ko picture and sad to say, kailangan ako muuli. Okay? Yeah, I got some work pa back and I didn't want to leave Albay because Albay is very beautiful, Jude. So, hopefully makabalik ko very soon and I'll get to explore more of Albay and Legazpi and Bicol. So, yeah. See you guys. Hi guys, I'm here at the airport. So before I say goodbye to Albay, okay. Wala ko nag-expect na magdungan tayo may fly or same schedule with the Starhunt team. So they're at my back right now and wala na ako nag-panic. So direct na magpaka-fanboy kay Niadto, kayo, diba? And yeah, I'm so blessed to have met these guys. And yeah, hopefully proceed to the other level of the audition. So yeah, hopefully matawagan for the callbacks. Yeah. And it was a great experience and parang really is a great experience. So no regrets. So yeah, I just enjoyed everything. Wala to siya. So yeah, they're at my back. Kichu and Robin Domingo is at my back. And together with the Starhunt production team, they are all in my back. Nag-charge yung mga today, no? Oh, wala ko nag-expect na makita din ako sila. Close ako. So yeah, bye guys. See you in Cebu City.
Derpity derp 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 derp